Quiz on general knowledge. Let's start. The Treaty of Versailles was signed in A. 1917, B. 1918, C. 1919, D. 1920. Answer 1919. Mother Teresa won the Nobel Prize for Peace in A. 1992, B. 1979, C. 1985, D. 1948. Answer 1979. The Territorial Army was established in A. 1948, B. 1951, C. 1943, D. 1958. Answer 1948. Water is a good solvent of ionic salt because A. It has a high boiling point, B. It has a high dipole moment, C. It has a high specific heat, D. It has a no color. Answer it has a high dipole moment. Rana Pratap Sagar is famous for A. Nuclear power station, B. Aluminium industry, C. Brassware, D. Sports good. Answer nuclear power station. The important industry of Assam are A. Oil refinance and coal, B. Silk and polywood, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. Answer both A and B. What is the literacy rate of Maharashtra? A. 77.27%, B. 66.26%, C. 55.25%, D. 44.24%. Answer 77.27%. The parts of the which includes is A. More than 2500 years old, B. More than 1000 years old, C. More than 1500 years old, D. None of the above. Answer more than 2500 years old. Radioactive substance can be produced in readily A. An electron gun, B. An atomic pile, C. An transistor, D. None of these. Answer an atomic pile. National Botanical Research Institute is located A. New Delhi, B. Lucknow, C. Chennai, D. Bangalore. Answer Lucknow. National Remote Sensing Agency was set up in A. 1980, B. 1981, C. 1982, D. 1983. Answer 1980. The helicopter fleet of Air Force consists of A. Cheetah, B. Cheetah, C. M180s, D. All of the above. Answer all of the above. Oxford University was founded in A. 1139 AD, B. 1163 AD, C. 215 BC, C. 55 BC. Answer 1163 AD. The language spoken in Lakshadweep Island is A. Malayalam, B. Marathi, C. Tamil, D. Gujarati. Answer Malayalam. Tiger Woods is associated with which of the following sport? A. Table tennis, B. Tennis, C. Golf, D. Boxing. Answer golf. Which is the literacy award of Britain? A. David Choyan Award, B. Owen Global Prize, C. Golden Bear Award. D. All of the above. Answer David Cohen Award. Most commonly used bleaching agent is A. Alcohol. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Chlorine. D. Sodium chloride. Answer chlorine. The headquarters of the International Committee of Red Cross are at A. Geneva. B. Paris. C. Rome. D. Stockholm. Answer Geneva. Vitamin B is most useful for combating A. Anemia. B. Poultry. C. Night blindness. D. Rickets. Answer anemia. Golf player Vijay Singh belongs to which country? A. USA. B. Fiji. C. India. D. UK. Answer Fiji. Which is the language used in Bihar? A. Hindi. B. Urdu. C. English. D. Bangla. Answer Hindi. The blood pressure of a young male human being in A. 110/70. B. 120/80. C. 135/90. D. 140/100. Answer 120/80. Guwahati High Court is the judicature of A. Nagaland. B. Assam. C. Arunachal Pradesh. D. All of the above. Answer all of the above. The Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences award the Nobel Prize in A. Physics. B. Economics. C. Chemistry. D. Both A and C. Answer both A and C. When is the International Workers' Day? A. 15th June. B. 12th December. C. 1st May. D. 1st August. Answer 1st May. Which is post-harvest folk dance in Assam? A. Bihu. B. Ojapali. C. Akyanat. D. None of the above. Answer Bihu. The chemical name of vitamin B is A. Nicotinamide. B. Ascorbic acid. C. Riboflavin. D. Thiamine. Answer thiamine.